Welcome back. Today, we're diving into Jelly coin and whether it can hit $0.12 next. This low-cap, high-volatility coin has been making waves, and the setup is looking bullish right now. Currently, Jelly coin has a $32 million market cap and a $20 million trading volume. It's available on Bitget, IO, MEXC, and BingX***, among other exchanges. With recent momentum, the price is pushing toward new highs, and many traders are wondering, is now the time to buy or sell? Looking at the charts, $0.12 is a key target, with a potential upside toward $0.17. The breakout from $0.0040 was strong, and if momentum continues, we could see another 165% to 250% gain. However, since it's a low-cap coin, price swings can be extreme, making this a high-risk, high-reward play. For now, if Jelly coin holds above support levels, we could see explosive upside. But if it fails to maintain momentum, a retracement is possible. As always, do your own research before making any trading decisions. What do you think? Will Jelly coin reach 12 cents or even higher? Let me know in the comments. Like the video if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more crypto updates. See you next time.